Okay, hi everyone. I thought I'd do a quick review, unboxing of my kids' electric quad that I've just bought. I've been looking out for one for a while. It seemed cheap enough, so I wanted to give it a try. Got this one for Christmas for the kids. I couldn't see an awful lot online as to whether they were any good. They're obviously fairly cheap. They're all made in China. But are they cheap and cheerful, or are they cheap and nasty? I wasn't sure. So I thought I would post a little review and let you know what I thought. Hopefully it'll help some of you out if you're also thinking of buying one. Go easy on the comments. I've not done a video like this before, so hopefully it'll help some of you. So it comes like this. It came on a pallet. It's quite heavy, about 65 kilos I think it was, so you probably need two people to lift it. Inside the box, it's got a sturdy cardboard box, and then it's a fairly sturdy metal frame. But just on sort of first opening this, I noticed it's sort of slipped in the packaging somehow. The wishbone is obviously meant to be mounted on this cross member, but the whole thing seems to have slipped back a little bit. You see the axle is meant to be tied on there, but it's not there. I don't think there's any damage. Mudguard should obviously be under there, same as that. And typically, if you've ever had anything from China, I'm sure you have, even the bubble wrap somehow seems second hand. But other than that, it doesn't look too bad, so I'll get it built up and see what it's like. Okay, so I thought I'd just show you a few things before I go much further. Yeah, quality is a bit, well, questionable, as expected. For example, the switch is on backwards, and you can't put it on the right way around. Things like this. But look at this. You see the play there. That's going to nip up there, and then these needs to be folded round to meet up with that. Not great. The other thing, there's no washers, there's no grease, everything else is loose. So if you do get one, just check over all the nuts and bolts, make sure it's all tight. Maybe put a bit of grease on it when you put it together. It's a bit fast on the I found those videos on my computer. They were done 4 years ago, and I'd never put the video together or published it. So I just thought I'd do a quick ending. It's January 2020. It's 4 years old, and it's been okay actually. Pretty much as I expected it to be. We had a few problems with it, nothing major. The charger failed. That was replaced under warranty. The chain also stretched beyond the adjustment, and it was too loose. The chain kept jumping off all the time, so the seller sent me a new chain in the post. That was no problem. The ignition and switches failed. It was always a little bit dodgy. You just had to get it just right. Again, it's just a cheap part, but it finally failed about a year ago, and I just replaced it with an on-off switch, which is under the seat, and it was dead easy to do. Other than that, it's been okay really. As I expected. I wasn't expecting a great deal for £400. I have got two girls, so it's had light use, maybe 30 times or so. If it was going to get a lot of use off-road, then I don't think it would have lasted that long at all. It's just not kind of designed for that. I would have spent a bit more money and got maybe a Suzuki quad or something. But for the girls, it's been great. It's got them into it. and it's time to sell it now. They've kind of outgrown it. So I hope that's been useful. Any questions, I'll always answer them. Thank you.